Simple nail design. In this lesson, we will learn how to create a quick and simple nail design that your clients will definitely love. You will also be able to easily and effectively upsell your manicure services. What we will need: any color of gel polish. In this case, we are using a soft baby blue. It is important that the gel polish is not too thick to avoid adding thickness to the nail. Glitter gel, and a special stick with a soft silicone tip. Tweezers, a thin brush, and a brush with a rounded tip. Stickers of your choice. It is recommended to use stickers with adhesive backing, rather than ones that need to be soaked in water. So, let's get started. Take a bit of the blue gel polish on a brush and apply a spot to the nail surface. Create a wavy pattern approximately covering half of the nail. There's no need to spend a lot of time on this, as the pattern won't be very visible after applying the stickers. If needed, use a thin brush near the cuticle and the side walls. Cure the nail in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. Then apply glitter to the pattern in a random order. If necessary, use a thin brush to help distribute the gel polish. And cure it in the lamp for another 60 seconds. Choose the stickers. In our case, it's a white branch. As mentioned earlier, it's recommended to use stickers with adhesive backing, as they easily attach to the nail surface and don't come off. Run a silicone stick over the sticker, ensuring that none of its tips are protruding in the air. Optionally, you can add a second sticker to the nail. Using a transparent film, place the stickers onto the nail and determine which one is more suitable. In our case, it will be a black branch. Apply it on top of the blue pattern and press it onto the nail surface with the silicone stick. After ensuring the correctness of the stickers, cover our design with a top coating. In our case, it's Shine On from the Accents brand. Cure the nail in an LED lamp for 60 seconds. If necessary, you can cover the nail with a second very thin layer of top coating. Now it's time to enjoy the result. This is a simple and elegant design that you can offer to your clients, and they will definitely appreciate your artistry. Be sure to add an additional charge for this, as your time is valuable and your dedication deserves fair compensation. After all, time is money.